Heyo duckies, Andy Lip here, and I'm actually doing something a little bit different. I've been asked multiple times, how can I get overlays on my console streams without a PC, without using a capture card, and it's very, very simple. But we've got a lot to get through, but before we get into it, like this video, subscribe, put your rock over the stone, let's go. So this tool is absolutely huge, so I'm going to try and split it down into different videos, so let me know what you want to see down below in the comments, okay? So Overlay Expert, it allows you to create your own overlays for console streamers without having to use a PC, like I said, but you can also add all sorts of different things to your overlays, so you can show how many followers you're on, your recent followers, your recent subscribers, you know, all the fancy stuff that all the professional streamers use, you can now use on console. Okay, so the website that we're going to go to is overlay.expert. I'll show you this now. You get greeted by this beautiful splash screen, which I love, just really soft colours. It's just my jam, as you can probably tell from my my overlays. Go to sign in the top right, connect your Twitch. Mine will automatically log me in because it's all set up already. Yours might ask you to authorize overlay.expert to use your Twitch details, you know, as it normally does. I'm not going to show you how to create an overlay, but if you do want me to show you how to do that, let me know in the comments below, because you could use different overlays from like stream elements and everything like that, or even custom ones that are online. You could get somebody to create one on Fiverr for you. So I'm going to press View Overlays and just look at some of their pre-made ones. So we've got Overwatch one, we've got Green Damask, we've got Orange Carbon, there's a couple there. I'm going to use, say, Orange Carbon for now. So I'm just going to press use, and this will load it up into the overlay builder. If it's your first time here, it's going to ask if you want a beginner's walkthrough, or if you want me to make a video on it, please let me know in the comments below and I'll get that sorted. I'm just going to hit no for now. This is my overlay, looks quite basic at the moment. You can add different things to your overlay, so I'm just going to show you one little thing, how to add who your recent follower is. So if I go add a new layer on the right hand side, and go to content, it looks a little bit complicated, but if you just kind of zoom yourself out, I mean, I'll try and do a video and explain what all this means, because I'm used to using like Photoshop and different things like that. I use a lot of stream element stuff as well. You can see that we've got new content item just here, but I'm actually going to create you can see the new content item just there. If I click on that, this is the text that's in there. So if I typed in test, it'd come up saying test, but I want to put recent follower, then do a colon, and then you can see all the different handles here on what is going to link to Twitch. If I go to Twitch here, I'm going to go recent follow. It's going to say, it's going to load it up, and it's doing a little side scroll for me. Recent follower is fill that in, and it's going to show you a couple on there which you'll be able to change as well. I'm just going to move that all the way up into this top left hand corner. So that's sliding on there. You can resize it like I'm doing here to make it fit in that box. There you go. So I've got an animated kind of bit of text that's going to show all the recent followers that are on there. You can customize these even further, like I did say. Let me know if you want me to cover that. So once we're done, we press file and then save. And that gets saved straight to your account on overlay.expert. We need to actually finish setting it up though, otherwise it's not going to work. So we hit the little hamburger, go to Twitch extension, and you'll see this tells you a little bit about it. This is my favourite feature. Great for content creators. Keep your alerts separate from VODs and highlight reels. Yes, you can get alerts on here. I'll show you that in a next video, so make sure you are subscribed. So we've built our overlay, we need to install the extension. Okay, so we're just going to click on install the extension. It's going to come to your your Twitch page. You're going to hit install, hit configure, and then you'll see your overlay that you've just created is here. So I can see just there. So I'm going to press choose because that's the one I want. And that's it. That's all set up. I'm just going to close that down now. And you'll see it's installed but not activated, so you need to make sure you do press activate and set as overlay 1 and then hit done. It might not work altogether because there is another step that we need to do as well. So go back to overlay.expert and we need to sign up for the beta. Click on that, type in your Twitch username and everything like that. It's going to ask you a couple of questions like how often do you stream, do you keep a stream schedule, how many viewers you're on. I mean, I'm less than 100, I'm still fine, I'm still in the beta, so don't kind of lie about it. It's just probably better for them so they know who's using their software and how they can make improvements and make it more tailored to you guys. And I would recommend go and follow them on Twitter and also join their Discord, because there's loads of people helping each other out on there. So if you've got any troubles at all, they'll be able to help you out on there. Or also join my Discord channel below. There's loads of streamers in there, and we're all quite knowledgeable, and we're all there to help each other out, okay? Fill it in with your Discord tag as well. There's 3 pages, just literally a couple of questions on each. It's very, very simple to do. It's all done. Literally, that is it. You're all set up now. Get into your Twitch channel. Once you're in there, you'll start streaming, and you'll see on the right hand side that your overlay is active. I've not got my consoles plugged in at the moment, so I cannot show you any footage of that, but in the next videos I definitely will for you. I mean, if you've got any comments on how that works or any troubles at all, please let me know in the comments below. If I helped you, press that like button and also subscribe as well. Welcome. You don't need a PC to join the PC Master Race. You don't need to have a PC to have a great stream. You can get alerts on there. You can get your recent followers. You're never gonna miss a beat now on your Twitch streams. There is no excuse. You need to have the best streams, okay, guys? If you're looking for more tips, come and see my other stream aid videos. Put your rock for the stone. I'll see you soon.